EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play the song Over the Rainbow from the movie The Wizard of Oz. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part of the song, and parts 2 and 3 are on the website. Please see them. Alright, so we'll begin with the right hand. So we'll play the first part each hand separately, then we'll combine hands together, and then for the parts 2 and 3 you'll see on the website and you can finish learning the rest of the song. So we'll begin the introduction with the right hand, first finger on E. So E and G, then second finger plays F, G, and together E and A fingers 1 and 4. Fifth finger plays G, D, F, C, third is on E, first is on B, third is on D, and now we have the actual song. First finger on C, next we have E and C fingers 1 and 5, then G and B fingers 3 and 5, E and G fingers 1 and 3, F sharp and A fingers 2 and 4, G and B, now again E and C 1 and 5, next we have A and C fingers 1 and 2, now C and A, then we have D and G fingers 2 and 5, hold on to the G as you switch first finger to C, second is on B, first is on B flat, first finger plays A, now you have D and F fingers 3 and 5, second is on C, now you have C and E fingers 2 and 4, C, then D, together B flat, C sharp and E, fifth is on F, and next you have B and D fingers 2 and 4, B, C, A and D fingers 1 and 4, now you have A flat and E fingers 2 and 5, and G, A, C fingers 1, 2, 4. Then a little frill, second finger on D, E, one under on F, and we'll stop here for the first part. Let's look at the left hand. Left hand begins with fifth finger on C. Hold on to the C as you switch the notes above it. G, A, then again G, C, G, then B, G, C, second on G, A, fourth is on E, and together G and F, fingers 5 and 1. Fifth finger moves down to G. Fifth finger moves down to C again. Second is on G. First is on C. Fourth is on B. Fifth is on A. First is on E. E and G, E and B. Now C and B flat. Fifth is on F. One under to E. D sharp. First is on E. Fifth is on C. Fifth moves up to F. Second is on F. And together F and A flat. First is on G. Lower G. And together A and G, fingers 5 and 1. Now we have D and F sharp, fingers 4 and 2. And G and F, fingers 5 and 1. Fifth finger is on C, G, E. Third is on C. And together D and F, fingers 2 and 1. Fifth finger is on G. Alright, now we'll combine hands together. Left hand begins with fifth finger on C, right hand first is on E. G, together. Left hand G and F, right hand fifth is on G. D, D, and together both hands play C. G, C, fourth is on B. Left hand E and B, fingers 5 and 1. Right hand third and fifth on G and B. Next. And together. Left hand fifth is on F, right hand A and C, fingers 1 and 2. One under, right hand C and A, D sharp. And together, left hand E, right hand D and G. Together. Left hand F and A flat, right hand D and F. Left hand G, right hand C and E. Together, left hand A and G, right hand B flat C sharp E. Together, left hand D and F sharp, right hand B and D. A flat and E. D and F. Right hand second on D. E. Left hand G, right hand 1 under on F. Okay, we'll stop for now. This is part 1. Parts 2 and 3 are on the website. Please see them. Enjoy practicing.